What in the world are you giggling about?
Sorry, but I was just thinking about how great it is now that we can spend every day together.
Yeah, it's a relief for me too, not having to worry about getting back to the pack before they start wondering where I am.
Same here. You know, this really is an adventure, isn't it? It's kind of fun just thinking about it.
But it's a dangerous one too. We're still being chased, I'm sure of it. Until we reach the foothills, May, stay alert. We're too exposed out here.
Don't worry, Gabu. I'll keep an eye out.
They were here, Gabu and the goat, recently. Listen, the scent's fresh, so they gotta be nearby.
They stopped here. The grass has been flattened and there's goat and wolf hair all over the place.
Right, everybody fan out and search the area.
Right away, Barry.
I'm not that sure that they are coming or not.
So tell me, Gabu, how many did you kill last night?
2 or 3 field mice, I guess.
Every night when I'm sleeping, you go out into the forest to hunt, don't you, Gabu?
Know what? Even a wolf like me gets hungry. And I'm doing it this way just for you, May.
I know that you're being considerate of me doing it like that. But you know, the things you don't like, you just don't like, Gabu.
Well, what am I supposed to do about that?